Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Ekaleva online teaching class. In last class, we saw about the election, universal adult franchise, types of election and all. Now let's see about election commission. What are the works of the election commission, the symbols, what is national parties, state parties and all in this class. See, first let's see about officers on election duty. Who all will work in this election duty. See, Election Commission of India. First, let's see about Election Commission. All the people in Election Commission of India work for this election. It headed by Chief Election Commissioner, that is CEC. CEC, that means Chief Election Commissioner, assisted by other election commissioners, assistants. There will be an assistant for this Chief Election Commissioner. CEC acts as a chairman of the election, is the head of the election commission. Okay, at present it is a 3-member body. Now it's 3-member, three or three. See, this one is Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India. Bharat Nirvacan Ayog. This one is this building. Okay. The office for this Election Commission. The chief who will appoint this election commissioner, let's see about that. The chief election commissioner, that is CEC, and other election commissioners are appointed by the president. Appointed by the president only will select the chief election commissioner. The election commissioner was appointed by the president. President may also appoint regional commissioner also for the regions. Regional commissioner for the state. For the state also, he only appoint that commissioners. Okay, to assist the election commission, to see the election. What are the work? They only will do. Even for the central, for the state. This election commissioner only will do all the work. Independence of ECI. What is ECI? Let's see. CEC, that is, and other ECs can be removed in the manner as a judge of Supreme Court. This election commissioners, no, they act as a judge of Supreme Court, the highest, having highest powerful person, the judge in the Supreme Court, no, like that they will act as in the elections. Okay, we should not show partialities in that. So that the president will appoint the election commissioner and other ECs means election commissioner. See, C is chief election commissioner is the head, and the ECs is they will assist the chief election commissioner. Okay, can be removed only on the recommendation of CEC. No one can change the conditions of service of CEC. No one can change the conditions of service of CEC. ECI has complete control over its staff on election duty. ECI has complete control over its staff on election duty. See, let's see what is election campaign. No, vote for us, vote for this symbol, vote for this person, vote for, we will do all this. If we win, means we will come and do, we will lay road for your area, like that they will come and they will announce, no, that is election campaign. Let's see, on the stage is talking, see, he is meeting with the public. Let's see about the terms and conditions or while campaigning, the terms and conditions. No place of worship can be used for election campaign by any party. See, they should not for campaign near the temple or church, in the temple or church or in the worship place. Okay, then political parties should remain within certain limits while criticizing the opposite party. They should not criticize. See, that man is like that, this man is like this. See what they did like that. They should not criticize about the opposite political party. During election campaign, no government transport, official aircraft, machinery or person. See, if chief minister or any other ministers, MLAs, they can use now the what government car or the van or any other thing, the transport. But while campaigning, while they coming for the campaigning, they should not use the government car or government bus or government van. They should use their own vehicle. Okay. During election campaign, no government transport, official aircraft, machinery or personnel could be used by political party. What are the political? Let's see, political parties. It is a political party means group of people. Only one can't be a political leader or a political. They can't become a political leader. A group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. See, if we win in that election and become a leader, that is political party, a group of people. A group of people come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. A political party tries to convince people that its policies are better than others. We will do this. Then that government, like that, they have to convince the people. They try to win election so that they can implement their policies. If they what if they win in the election, they can implement what they said. We don't know whether they will implement or not. That and all we don't know. After the election only we know about it. Then the functions of the political parties. Formation of public opinion. We should get the public okay, they will do this political party will do for good for us, and then formation of public policies, formation of government to contest election, making law, role of opposition. Okay, these are some functions of political parties. These all will do. They should take the public opinions. They should implement the public policies. What they say, they should implement that. Formation of government. They should form a government. A group of people form a government. No, like that, they should form a government to contest election, making laws for okay, this we will do this. We have to do this. We should obey this like that. They should follow the laws role of opposition. There are two parties, that is national political parties and state political parties. National political parties means will be in every state. The national political parties will be in every state. Regional political parties means only will be in the state. Only will be in the state. For example, I'm telling you, in our state, what ADMK and DMK, AIDMK and DMK. This is the regional party. That means state parties, state political parties. Congress, BJP, that and all national political parties all over India. This DMK or this ADMK will not be in the other state, but this national party, BJP and Congress will be in every state in our country. The Election Commission of India has recognized the following parties as national political parties for the election. How? How? Let's see. See, a political party is recognized as a national party. The party in for any four or more states at the last general. They should win in the four states. Then only they will accept as a national political party. National political party. General election to the Lok Sabha, that means to the parliament, or to the state assemblies. The party should secure 6% of the total valid votes polled in each of those states at the general elections. At least four of them have been elected to the four of them means MPs, MP, member of a parliament. At least four of them have been elected to the Lok Sabha from any state, not only in the state, from any state. Four of them should go to the parliament. Congress, BJP, I told you, Congress, BJP or national parties, national political parties and state political parties. Let's see about state political parties. See, in this Shiromani Akali Dal. This party is in Punjab. This political party is Punjab. Biju Janata Dal. It's in Odisha. So example I'm telling. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Founded by Annadurai, Tamil Nadu. It's our state political party. In Assam, Assam Gana Parishad. Assam Gana Parishad. Let's see this election symbols. See what you know what is this? Hand. It's a Congress. Congress is the symbol of Congress. It means today Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, you all know in Delhi. Their symbol, this one is Congress. And this is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party. It means our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's symbol. This is BJP. Isn't BJP only Narendra Modi? Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, Communist Party of India. This is circle. See this con. CPI. This is CPI. This is CPI. Communist Party of India. Circle and see this con. The symbol of CPI. That means Communist Party of India. See this one is circle and a hammer. CPIM. This is CPIM. This is elephant. See this elephant is Bahujan Samaj Party. So one political party. This is Bahujan Samaj Party. BSP. Bahujan Samaj Party. This is the elephant is the symbol for them. For this Bahujan Samaj Party, elephant is the symbol. See, this is rising sun. Rising sun means what is that? DMK, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Now Stalin. Stalin is in this rising sun only, DMK. So DMK. This one, two leaves. See this rising sun. This DMK and this is two leaves. AIADMK. AIADMK. Anaith India. This is A for Anaithu, I for India in Tamil. All in English. All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. A means all. I means this one. I is India. And A means Anna. D means Dravida. M means Munnetra. And K means Kazhagam. From DMK one to this K. This AIADMK. All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. That is DMK is Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. See, this is Telugu Desam symbol. Telugu Desam. Cycle is the symbol of Telugu Desam. See this one. Shiromani Akali Dal. Punjab. The symbol is in Punjab. The Shiromani Akali Dal. See, before and all, there will be a ballot sheet in election. Even I don't know about this ballot sheet and all. My mom, mother, or you ask your father and mother, they will tell. See, the name will be here. The name will be here. The person who is in election, who stand for the election, for this symbol, who is standing, their name will be here in this place, and the symbols will be here. Symbols will be here. See, so many, even 40, 50 names will be there, 40, 50 symbols will be there. There, they give the seal like this, seal. You feel, you know what is seal. Like this it will be. Stamp. That you will go to one separate place. There we will select which one you want. We want this hand or this or lotus, this elephant. You have to stamp here the seal like this. And then you should fold this ballot sheet and put it in the ballot box. And then they will count how many votes for this hand, how many votes for this or Lotus BJP, this is Congress, how many votes for this elephant symbol, like that they will count. But now, like this machine came, a computer machine has came. See, the names will be in this column, the names will be here, and the symbols will be here. Symbols will be in this. Which one? If for example, I'm telling the Congress hand will be there, and here in Tamil Nadu, I'm telling here this rising sun will be here, tulips will be here. So many symbols and names will be here. Which one you want? Mean you have to select whether you want this hand or any symbol, maybe cycle. You have to press this blue color button. This all will be in red color light. If you press this blue color button, means green color light will go. Then we know that our vote caster. We have to cast vote like this. Before and all, we have to take one paper, like they will write the name and give that area name, the voters list name and all. But now we have to take Aadhaar card to the election booth. Then only they will allow to cast our vote. If you are 18 years, now you all will be in 11 or 12 years. After 4 or 5 years, you also can cast vote. Okay, this like this only we have to cast our vote. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.